Hey traders, welcome to your Click Weekly market recap for the week ending 25th July 2025. I'm Ifty, and if you missed the madness in the markets this week, don't worry, we've got you covered in just a few minutes. Let's start with the numbers. Nasdaq surged by an impressive 5.47%, fueled by tech momentum and AI earnings buzz. The S&P 500 climbed 1.46%, and the Dow Jones added 1.22%. Meanwhile, gold got absolutely hammered, dropping 6.11%, its worst week in months. Bitcoin slid slightly, closing down 0.80%, and crude oil dipped 1.47% as supply concerns took the spotlight. Now here's what actually moved the markets. US first up, Trump's back on the tariff talk train. He floated threats of new tariffs on European cars and Canadian metals. Markets blinked, but then shrugged. Nasdaq barely noticed. The Federal Reserve played its part too. Powell called inflation sticky and uneven, which basically means no rate cuts anytime soon. That kept the dollar strong and helped sink gold. In commodities, oil softened after the IEA warned of oversupply, while OPEC stayed surprisingly quiet. That uncertainty is brewing opportunity if you know how to trade it. So what can we take from this? Tech is still king. If you're trading momentum, this sector has the juice. Gold just hit a major technical breakdown. If you're long, manage that risk. The dollar's still the safe haven, and that means opportunity in JPY, CAD, and Euro USD pairs. Commodities, volatile, great for tactical traders who respect their stops. Looking ahead, it's another big one. US core PCE, inflation data, ECB policy decision, earnings from Amazon, Apple and Meta, plus China PMI data, which could rattle global sentiment. Whatever you're trading, keep it structured, smart, and process-driven. That's how we do it at Click Trading Education. Want to learn how we trade these moves with confidence? Head over to clicktradingeducation.com and join our community. Stay sharp, trade smart. See you next week.